Hello everybody, when it comes to the RealMe, the only one thing comes to my mind is its cheapest price, is its cool features. So stay tuned in this video, we're going to discuss all the key specs of RealMe C1 and RealMe C1 Pro. So coming to number 7 is the main processor of the phone. The RealMe C1 smartphone is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core processor with operating system of Android 8.1 Oreo and chipset of Qualcomm STM450 Snapdragon and GPU of octa-core 1.8 GHz and Adreno 506. As we know that camera plays a major role in the phone, so number 6 is the camera of the phone. The phone includes two main cameras, one with 13 megapixel of focal length 2.2 and another with a 2 megapixel of focal length 2.4, and other features include depth sensor, LED flash, HDR, panorama, etc. Next, coming to the selfie camera, it's a single selfie camera of 5 megapixel of focal length 2.2. So let's talk about its memory, internal storage and RAM. So number 5 is the memory of the phone. The smartphone has 2 GB RAM and internal storage of 16 GB. It can be expanded up to 256 GB via a micro SD card through a dedicated slot. The phone's dimension is 6.15 into 2.98 into 0.32 inches, weighing up to 168 grams with a plastic body and supporting dual SIM. The system includes IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with multi-touch and protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. 3 is the most important, it's the price and the budget of the phone. The prices of the phone to be expected in India is about 8000 NIR, which is much less than Realme 2 of 32 GB internal storage and 3 GB RAM, that is only 8990. So this phone can be included as the cheapest smartphone with handful price. Number 2 is its main battery and highlighted features. The phone has a non-removable nylon battery of 4230 mAh battery. Features include Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, GPS, FM radio, micro USB 2.0 and 3.5 jack with sound vibration of MP3 and WAV ringtones. Number 1 and the last is the different colors available for the phone. The Realme C1 is available in two colors, that is blue and black. It is available to buy exclusively via Flipkart at an introductory price 8000 rupees. So that's all for today. If you like the video, press the thumb button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification to get all the updates of the new videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, be safe and keep your surroundings clean. Thank you.